Look at this. That looks unbelievable. Today, I'm gonna be cooking up a chimichurri steak pizza in the Ooni Carry 2 Pro. Now, chimichurri is a favorite sauce of mine. It just tastes just super vibrant, super earthy. There's garlic, there's lemon, loads of herbs. And it'll transform your steak game, but if you put it on top of a pizza, it will take it to the next level. So I've got my herbs here, got some oregano, got some parsley, got some coriander. I'm just gonna really finely slice them and just whack them all in a bowl. Now, the thing I love about chimichurri is you can kind of make it your own. Like, what I would do is I'd make this recipe once, follow it, and then you can kind of be like, right, I want it to be more garlicky. I want it to have more chili in it. Make it whatever you want it to be. We're gonna make like a garlic paste, and that's super simple to do because I'm gonna use salt. And then what that salt will do is just draw out all the moisture. So then just with the back of the knife, I'm just gonna push down, and then it'll just crush it all. Can you smell it? It's just like the herbs, the garlic, it just smells absolutely incredible. Whack that in there, and then I've got a chili. Again, you can just make it as hot as you want. Gonna chop it in half. And in. It's a super, super quick sauce to make. We've got lemon, got some zest, all this juice, a little bit of red wine vinegar, just adds a bit of acidity. And I'm just gonna give that a mix. If you come in here, take a look at this. That smells unbelievable. It looks great, super vibrant, full of color. Got some olive oil here. And all I'm gonna do is just put a little bit in to start with. And then once it's mixed, I'll add a bit more. I'm just building the sauce out now. It looks incredible, tastes unbelievable, super lemony, super zesty, garlicky, chili, hot. Got the steak, got the chimichurri. Let's go and cook it in the Ooni Carry 2 Pro, and I'll deal with this mess later. So I've got the grizzler in here, and it's up to temp. It's gonna be super hot, but that's brilliant because I wanna cook this steak as hot and as quick as I can. So I'm just gonna light that down. Just listen to that. Already the smells are just incredible. I'm gonna get that in the oven. So there we go. That is literally gonna cook in minutes. I absolutely love beef skirt for that reason. You can cook it super quick. It's really tender. All I have to do is just let it rest for a little bit longer than I would maybe a sirloin or a rump, but it's gonna taste incredible. I can't wait to cover it in chimichurri and top my pizza with it. So all I'm gonna do is transfer this to a board and just let it rest. So there we go. That just needs a bit of time to rest now. And by the time we've made our pizza, cooked our pizza, that will be incredible and it'll be good to go. So all we're doing here is basically just making a posh margarita because we'll cook that and then add the steak on top. Got our basil, some sun-dried tomatoes. I think red onion just goes really well with steak. And then some Parmesan to finish. A little bit of semolina. Is that in Italian? Is it in Italian on the front of it? But I was like, well, I've been calling it the wrong thing all the time. Right, a little bit of semolina on our paddle, just to avoid the pizza from sticking. Straight under, and then I can stretch it out again, make sure it's all perfect and circular, and then just straight in the oven. So this is like one of my favorite parts of making pizza. You've done all the hard work, made the dough, stretched it, topped it, and then it's just in the oven. You just let the oven do the hard work. It's kind of like that moment of like magic where it's all the ingredients are in, and then you kind of open it. It's like, there we go. It's just super quick. And that pizza looks unbelievable. And then we're going to top it with our steak. I mean, don't worry about how much you put on. Look at this. That looks unbelievable. And like I said, it's been cooked really quick. But the beef skirt will just stay super tender if you give it time to rest, let it do its thing. and then finally top it with even more of the chimichurri. The colour it brings is just next level. This pizza, I would just say, is a crowd pleaser. So whether you've been making pizza for ages or you're just starting out, I would honestly recommend making this one at home.